Yes, the first widespread snow hitting the entire state this season. It just took until the end of February, and a lot of people with the day off, kids home from school, out enjoying the snow and sharing pictures with us using the Near Me feature on our app. Let's take you into southeast Connecticut first, because there hasn't been much snow here yet this season. In Montville, for example, about 5 to 6 inches of snow. Thanks to Jim for sending this in on the front porch there. A couple of other pictures. We'll go to Groton, where on this deck, 6.5 inches of snow. You can clearly see it there. Thanks to Tracy for sharing this picture. There has not been much snow at all in southeast Connecticut, and in Andover too, eastern parts of the state. The dog here enjoying the snow. Thanks to Rachel for this picture, and we've got another one of Rory in Meriden. So a lot of the pets out enjoying the snow. That seems to be a theme of a lot of the pictures we had sent in today. We'll take you to a couple of more. This one from Newington, where Cheryl says it's the first snow day they have had so far this year. Breakfast with a cardinal bird and the coated trees there in Farmington. Thanks to Denise, looks like about 6-7 inches of snow fell there. And in Berlin, a winter wonderland in Kensington, right on the Berlin line. Thanks to Lisa for sharing this picture with us. We'll travel one more time. This time we'll go into northwest Connecticut. Check this out. Spencer and Alea enjoying the fresh new snow in their backyard there. Thanks to Dana and Patricia for sharing this picture with us. And we've got one more. This is actually a video coming in from Highland Lake in Winstead. Pretty wintry scene there. Not something we have seen much of this winter. If you ever see news or weather happening, or if we're in a storm like this, take a picture, take a video, share it with us with the Near Me section of our app. We'll share it here on the air, and you can see these pictures and videos in the app too. For now, though, I'm meteorologist Ryan Breton, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.